Doing this video for Carrie that we got the truck from. This is her truck that she and her husband restored some years back. It actually threw a rod, and so when I got it, the engine was bad and partially disassembled. I had a 235 stashed away that we put in it, and so I'll just do just a 235 that was out of a 55 Chevy that somebody put a V8 in. So I just dusted off the engine and put it in the truck. The truck's not for sale. Just wanted to show you the truck, and like I said, promised to show Carrie that we got it running. Now, for all you Chevy pickup guys, I want you to look at some little details on the truck, and feel free to comment. Tell me what year this is. Okay, I didn't push the hood down, sorry about that. There's some little styling cues on the truck that tell it what year it is. These things, this series came out in '48, continued to first series 55. Some guys say first series 55, not the same truck. Well, it's the windshield in first series 55 that gives away that one. But all the others have the flat two-piece windshield except for the first series 55. I'll at least say that. The rest of you guys can all figure out for yourself what year the truck is. Yeah, it's got some spider webs and stuff sitting around. I'm not gonna drive it out in the street. It's not registered. I don't want to get in trouble. Like I say, it'll get registered here in the next couple of weeks with all the right stuff that it needs. Then it's on its way. It's gonna leave and go to Europe, or it's gonna go across the water. So there you go. The Chevy pickup. Pearl Mae, we'll go with that. Hope you liked it.